leadership. We have no separation and division within the Somali leadership. You know, we follow same suit. As I said, the federal government is the sole responsible organ for foreign diplomacy and foreign policy. So without the permission and consent of the federal government of Somalia, Ethiopia and none other country should interfere into the sovereignty and integrity of the Somali national state. So I think we are very much clear about it. We are ourselves a federal government. Myself, I will not allow any country to directly involve with my regional governments without my consent. So I think the same applies to the Somali nation. And we will be very clean, and we are principle-based. The whole intention is to support the Somali people and the Somali government to make peace and stability and ultimately fight poverty and bring prosperity to the people of Somalia. That's the whole objective. We have no other motive and intention. So we want to continue with our fast economic growth and democratization in this country. If we need to do so, then we cannot leave others in chaos without being supported, because that chaos will come back to us, and the spillover effect affects our fast economic growth. So it is for our benefit we are doing that, not only as a charity for Somali people. We are intertwined, and we cannot thrive without each other. So if you take an example,